Just me and you, baby.
Let's hop to it.
Morning, everybody. Morning, Frank.
Morning.
We are in Albany today, and that I've done the majority of the utilities on. We're about on the last two houses, this one and that one over there. This is my gas, power, phone, cable. Easy peasy. All right, so let's see how deep this sewer is. I gotta get something like a shovel or something to work. Okay. So that's loose. Can you see down in there? Almost 5 foot, not bad. All right. Got my water dug all the way to the sleeve over there. It's kind of under the foundation, so we're gonna have to tunnel under it a little bit. Power, gas, water lines in it. So they gotta have separation from each other. So the homeowners are here and they're gonna do their walk around, so I gotta quit. I'm gonna help Frank with these rain drains. Get those laid. He's already almost done. I'll probably go behind him, put in downspouts. 9.6 to the edge of our patio. So 13 foot. So go 14 with this T.
Yeah.
So we're onto the water line, the trench, and we're crossing gas. Out here, the gas is way up there. There it is, right there. That little dark spot right there. I guarantee that's the gas line trench. Yep, that's 2 feet. So my rock pane. Well, I had to get out of his way, so now we're just gonna push it so next time he gets there, he gets it down straight in the garage. There she is, folks. I felt something, so I stopped and shoveled. That wasn't marked with a locate. So yeah, I barely got it. Gotta be careful for that stuff. Cool, let's keep going. Switch to the flat bucket so I can move more dirt faster, better volume of dirt. The ground's not all that hard. Where's it? There at the end of the shovel. But the thing is it's a little bit further that way, a little deeper, and about a foot in that one. So that's basically open. Frank's already got pipe almost in it. Well, it's in it. The pipe's in the ditch. It is. But we're hungry. Look, he's already snacking.
I'm always snacking.
Snacking, packing, racking. No.
That's all you got.
I'm not a rapper. Yeah, that's all I got. So we're gonna go get some lunch. We'll see you guys in a few. Got back from lunch. Got a full belly. Transferring all that dirt that we got from that power trench over. This is gonna be a big front yard, so this is why I threw all the dirt this way. So yeah, this is gonna need a lot of dirt. So we got all that dirt moved, so I have somewhere to put dirt for my sewer trench. Dig our storm and the sewer at the same time because it all runs out this way. See, there's our storm connection. There's our sewer clean out right there. So somewhere over here is the marker. We got to find out how big that front patio is. So it says that's 7-foot patio. So we'll go 8 foot with our clean out. So 7 foot. We should be set. So what that means is I gotta come out darn near flat all the way to our stick right here, and then I can start diving down with our sewer. Well, if you haven't figured it out already, found our sewer. So the marker was broken off and buried, so it's kind of digging blind there for a second. Now we get to lay it. Frank's already got it half done. Just gonna do our sewer. Make sure there's no crap in there. Well, not literally crap. Oh, too short. Story of my life. Well, I don't really want to use a full stick for this. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Is it right here? Is it right here? See? Never fails. This one's newer though, so this is just here. So with our trace wire here, I ended up snapping it, which is fine. We don't have to strip that side, but so we got our new trace wire we're gonna run. So this is coming off what comes from the main line. We go and hook onto it. Can't just twist them together and call it good, because over time it'll develop that green death or whatever it's called. Strip this one. I wouldn't recommend stripping it this way. Use strippers, but I don't have none. They're just about the same. Got a wire nut here. And so what this is it's a silicone filled direct berry, I forget the name of it. We just call it so shove it in there like that. It's full of silicone, so what that wire nut is, that acts like a cup. So you pull it back here and that silicone will get all up in that wire nut. Greatly increases the chance of it failing over time or getting that black death, corrosion. And then we're set. We'll run our tracer wire. Alright, so that's all laid. Whoa. Watch that first step. It's a doozy. But storm, got our tracer wire on the storm. So unlike out where we were, I'll show you how we're used to doing it. So out in Staten, everything ran to that soakage trench. And like I was saying at the beginning of the video, all the rain drains now down in to where we have our low point. Right there, they're a backwater valve. And so that ties into there. Then everything, all the rainwater out here runs out to that swell out there. So different things for different places. Each one's got its own set of rules and own codes, and the city wants it this way, city wants it that way, so we just, okay. You know, you gotta keep things going. I think Frank's going to go relieve himself. For free. After he's done doing all that, move a downspout there. Gotta move that over to that gutter right there. Lower it down a little bit, but it'll be all right. Install one there. Oh, it's there, but they just cut it off. Wow. Poured right over it. Oh, look at you. Yeah, bad. Thank you. Not gonna work out for us. So, about halfway down that, or so. Hold it.
Bam!
Yeah, hold it on there. Yeah.
Might want to edit that out.
Yeah. Yeah. You want me to bend those for you or what?
Yeah.
All right, so we got it all caution taped off. Everything's laid, everything's done. Like I said, we'll come back in the morning and bed everything in, but we're gonna go home. So that being said, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. And as always, catch you on the next one.
For free.